I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S Plus. First, connect your device to your computer with the USB-C cable. Your Ledger will display a welcome message. Use the right button to scroll through the instructions. When you see Set up as New Device, press both buttons simultaneously to select it. This ensures you generate a new, secure wallet. Make sure you have your blank recovery sheets ready for the next crucial step. Now let's secure your device. You'll be prompted to create a PIN code. Use the buttons to select digits, choosing between 4 and 8 numbers for optimal security. Next, the device will display your 24-word recovery phrase, one word at a time. Write each word down precisely on your recovery sheets. This phrase is your master key, so keep it extremely safe. Finally, confirm a few words to ensure you've recorded it correctly. With your device secured, it's time to install Ledger Live. Visit the official Ledger website to download and install the application on your computer. Once installed, open Ledger Live and connect your Nano S Plus. You'll need to allow a secure connection on your device. Navigate to the My Ledger or Manager section within Ledger Live. Here, you can install the specific cryptocurrency applications you wish to manage, with the Nano S Plus supporting up to 100 apps. Now you're ready to manage your crypto assets. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and add accounts for the cryptocurrencies you want to hold. To receive funds, select an account and generate a receiving address. Always verify this address on your Ledger device screen before sharing it. To send crypto, initiate the transaction in Ledger Live, then carefully review and confirm all details on your Nano S Plus by pressing both buttons to approve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.